Oh, no. I was the victim of Shadow Moth again, wasn't I?
I wish I could tell you it would be the last time, Mr. Ramier, but that's a miracle I cannot perform.
Don't be so sure.
Rena Rouge?
You've been so focused on your role as a guardian that you've forgotten you're still Ladybug.
You found something in the spellbook?
No, there was nothing to find. What if the rules in the spellbooks are not a finite set of existing rules, but only what the Guardians had learned about the Miraculous so far?
Which means, if my power is the power of creation...
Yes, create. Your only limits are the ones you put on yourself. Wow, what happened to your suit? And what's that?
It's a magical charm. Mr. Ramier, always keep this with you. It will protect you from negative emotions.
Oh, does this mean that Shadow Moth won't be able to akumatize me anymore? Oh, do you hear that, my friends? We'll never be Paris's villains again!
Pound it.
That girl is truly miraculous.